To be young and in love in New York City. Do not know who I am, but still know that I'm good long as you're here with me. To be drunk and in love in New York City. Midnight into morning coffee, burning through the hours talking. Damn, I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time I stayed for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I like me better when I'm with you.
Back in 2008, she met me for the first time. So
I don't remember it.
I have proof. So she met me for the first time. She was participating in an inter-school debate. Debate was being hosted at my school, Loon.
We just became Facebook friends.
But it's an arranged marriage. Guys.
We've actually had a very parallel life. Like a lot of things were intersecting, but we never spoke to each other. Like his best friend got married to a really close friend of mine, and we were at the same wedding, and we did not even see each other.
And I was the star performer of the wedding, and still she did not notice me. Like, come on, like.
I just did not. I had no idea he existed. And far away, then I think we met because of the arranged marriage setup itself.
Apurva is a very dynamic and adventurous girl.
She's in a way a perfectionist, so whatever she does, she wants it to be like 110%.
She's very positive.
Her bubbly nature immediately catches hold of everyone's attention, and she's able to win everyone's heart immediately.
Honestly, she's one of the smartest people I've met. For me, Apurva has always been somebody that she's this go-to power woman who can achieve whatever she wants to.
Any joy, whichever comes in her life, without Apurva it is incomplete.
Kanishk at times is much more calm and quiet.
Probably the cutest person I've ever met. He was always like a support system for me all these years.
We started, looking for the, good alliance and everything. So we got a proposal through our friend. And my friend told me, so why don't you go once and just see how the things would be.
Eventually, Dad's like, you have to go to Surat and see Surat. It kept coming about, for whatever reasons the destiny had to play its game. I kept denying it and kept pushing it.
Then Sanjay Fufaji came in picture. He said, "Tu aake to dekh, teko nahi jama to tu nahi karna." Then she agreed and went there.
He was just more expressive at that point than he is in life. No, he said actually a very sweet thing. I remember the second day we were talking, he's like, "Apurva, I don't know if this will work out and not work out. But at the other side of this process, if nothing else, I would like you to be my friend." And that is something, that kind of comfort that I could give him meant the world to me. Because for me, my friends mean the most. And that is what he wanted to be.
Indirectly we are coming to know, but those people were all only natak kar rahe the, but the thing is they wanted to go ahead.
I found Kanish very, very, very understanding.
Before she said yes, he said, Apurva is my responsibility.
At the point where we met, both of us were ready, yes, and ready and looking forward to it.
He's made every effort to try and make Apurva comfortable, understanding her thought process and what she's going through.
They seem to get along well. They, complement each other well.
She's got a wild streak in her, which Kanishk also has. So yes, they will gel along very well.
They have quite a few similarities. Both of them ka anger is like similar level.
मतलब वो क्या होता है कि किसी को देख के लगता है ना, मतलब नाउ शी इज गोइंग टू बी माय डॉटर, वैसा था। उसको देखते ही ये लगा कि भाई दैट वाज द फीलिंग।
सदा कह रही है खुशी की मुबारक।
I'm finally getting ready. I think now is the time when the feeling is finally sinking in, and I just cannot wait to get married to you. And from tomorrow onwards, you're going to be waking up right next to me, and I'm just waiting for that. I love you.
फलक से परियां गई है।
चंदा बसे आकाश में, कमल खिले तालाब में, जो मेरे दिल में बसे वो बैठी है मेरे पास में।
सेहरा सुहाना लगता है, दुल्हन का तो दिल दीवाना लगता है, दूल्हे का सेहरा सुहाना।
You guys just look fabulous together. But एक चीज बस यही बोलूँगा, keep the smile always.
Wishing you both a very happy married life, Kanishji and Apurva.
Dear Apurva and Kanishji, you both are gem of the persons I know. You all have a fantastic life. Love you guys.
Apurva, I am very happy beta for you. You got Kanishji, and I love you a lot, Kanishji, and wish you a great life ahead.
Living with him just feels like a sleepover at a friend's house. And like, I would love for life to be like that. Like, it's not a sleepover at his house, sleepover at our house, where we were chilling with everybody, hanging out with everybody.
अपूर्वा, बहुत खुश हूँ तेरे लिए। सदा खुश रहना, हंसते खिलखिलाते, कनिष्क की जिंदगी में वही रंगीन रंग भर देना जो हमारी जिंदगी में भरती थी और हमारी जिंदगी में फुल भरती आएंगी।